Listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you is the difference between living a life of mediocrity and living a life of mastery. The world does not reward the person who works hard once in a while. It does not crown the man or woman who gives effort only when it's convenient. Success bows to consistency, daily discipline, repeated action, relentless follow-through. One act of greatness can inspire, yes, but only consistent acts of discipline create a legacy. Napoleon Hill said, "You are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul." But understand this, the ship only reaches its destination when the captain stays the course. Drifting destroys dreams. Discipline delivers them. Look at the giants of history. Thomas Edison did not stumble upon the light bulb because of one attempt. He failed thousands of times, but he showed up again and again. Henry Ford was bankrupt more than once, but consistency in his vision gave birth to the automobile revolution. Walt Disney was rejected, humiliated, laughed at, yet his relentless consistency carved out an empire of imagination. Consistency is not glamorous. It's not exciting in the moment. It's waking up at dawn when your body screams for sleep. It's practicing your craft, and here's the truth. Nobody feels like doing it every day. Nobody. The strongest minds are not those who wait for motivation. They are those who build habits. They force themselves into action until action becomes automatic. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Think of a farmer. He plants seeds in silence. He waters when nothing is visible. He works the soil when there is no reward. But day by day, his faith and consistency create the harvest. Life works the same way. Your results tomorrow are the fruit of the consistency you practice today. Consistency compounds. Just as money grows with compounding interest, your daily habits multiply into destiny. Miss a day, and nothing seems lost. Miss a week, and weakness sets in. Miss a month, and you've drifted into failure. But if you stay consistent, day after day, year after year, the results become unstoppable. Les Brown says, "You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great." But I'll add this, you don't have to be extreme to get results. You just have to be consistent. Small steps, repeated endlessly, become giant leaps. Force yourself to show up. When it's raining, show up. When it's uncomfortable, show up. When the world doubts you, show up. Because every time you show up, you send a message to your mind. I am committed. I am disciplined. I am unstoppable. And that repetition rewires your brain into a force of nature. Consistency turns weakness into strength, amateurs into professionals, dreamers into doers. The gym rat becomes the athlete. The scribbler becomes the author. The hustler becomes the empire builder. Not because of one grand act, but because of daily, relentless action. Yes, there will be days of struggle. Yes, there will be moments of boredom. But those who endure those moments, those who stay faithful to the process, are the ones who separate themselves from the crowd. The crowd wants instant gratification. The master embraces delayed gratification. Remember this, a river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Consistency is that persistence. It will cut through resistance, excuses, obstacles, and time itself until your dream is reality. So stop waiting for the perfect mood. Stop waiting for inspiration. Stop waiting for everything to feel easy. Force yourself to be consistent. The feelings will follow. The results will come. The life you imagine will reveal itself piece by piece, because everything falls into place for the one who refuses to quit. Your job is not to be perfect. Your job is to be consistent. And if you can do that, nothing, absolutely nothing can stop you. Because consistency creates momentum. Momentum creates power. And power creates destiny. So today, commit. Tomorrow, repeat. And soon, the world will call you unstoppable.